Hi guys, we meet again. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the second example to sketch the quadratic function. Okay, so as I showed in the previous video, okay, to sketch the quadratic function, we have to follow a few steps. Okay, the first step, okay, we look at the value of a. Here our value of a, as you can see, is negative. Okay, so that would mean a sad graph. Secondly, okay, we need to go and see what is the x-intercept, whether the x-intercept exists or not. So for this, okay, we can go and calculate the value of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, let me grab my calculator. So if we just quickly check, okay, our value of b squared, okay, minus 4ac, we can quickly check that. B squared minus 4ac. So b is negative 4 square minus 4. A is negative 2. C is 5. Okay, if we just quickly calculate that. So 16 plus with this is going to be 40. Yeah, 40. So that is going to be 56. Bigger than 0. Meaning to say there is going to be 2 real roots. Okay, if we just factorize that. Okay, as you are watching, you can do this. Oh, it's going to be some decimal numbers. So your x is going to be some 0.87 and negative 2.87. Okay, I hope I got that right. Yeah. Okay, and thirdly, we can go and work out our value of y-intercept. Y-intercept when x equal to 0. So that is going to be 5. Next. Okay, we can also work out what is our maximum point, because this is a set graph, so definitely it has something called maximum point. So it is an opportunity for us, okay, to go and do our completing the square. So as I mentioned to you just now, okay, or in the previous video, okay, we must make sure our a is positive 1. If we don't have, then we need to factorize first. So this is what we should have. Now 5, you no need to disturb. We do completing the square inside, so it'd be x squared plus 2x plus 1 square minus 1 square plus 5. So now I need to combine a few things. This guy and this guy we're going to combine. This one we can push it out, so it's going to become x plus 1 square. This is going to be minus 1 times with minus 2, going to get plus 2 plus 5. So we're going to get negative 2 x plus 1 square plus 7. So from here, we can easily tell what is our maximum point. As some of you, okay, who are very good in stating this, okay, I'm sure you can tell the maximum point going to be negative 1 and the y coordinate going to be 7. So we already have all the ingredients. We can go and sketch the graph that we want. Okay, so the problem here is the space. Okay, so maybe I shall just go and put the graph here. So we will scan through one by one. Okay, so this is just the shape. Okay, you're going to cut at these two places. So 0.87 going to be here. This is going to be your negative 2.87. Y-intercept is going to be 5. So I'll be here. Your maximum point negative 1.7. Oh, that's going to be quite high. Yeah, still within our frame. So this is 7, negative 1. So negative 1 is going to be here. So this is going to be our maximum point. Okay, so I've already put everything in there. So now it's just a matter of us putting the shape together. There you go, guys. Okay, you're going to get a nice shape. So make sure, okay, what you draw is a nice symmetrical quadratic curve. Okay, so for completeness again, we can go and tell what is the domain and range. So the domain, okay, as you can see here, the graph exists throughout. Okay, so I can tell, okay, the domain is going to be negative infinity to infinity, and the range always from the lowest value negative infinity to the highest value, which is 7.